Some call it a biscuit, while others call it a cheese scone. Either way, it's delicious. Welcome to Dynatribe. So what you'll need is 225 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 25 grams of unsalted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder, 150 grams of mature cheddar cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of table salt, 1 medium egg, 100 ml of full fat milk, a 4 cm pastry cutter, a rolling pin, baking tray with non-stick baking paper, and a bowl. Now place the flour, table salt, baking powder, mustard powder, cayenne pepper into the bowl and mix. Get your butter, rub into the flour till it looks like fine breadcrumbs. Now grab 80% of the mature cheddar cheese and mix into the flour. Place your full fat milk into a jug with the medium egg and beat lightly. Now place the egg and milk mixture into the bowl and mix into a soft dough. Depending on the flour, it is recommended to add the milk and egg mixture slowly, as you may not need all of it. If the dough becomes sticky, just add a little extra flour. Now that the dough is made, place some flour onto the chopping board. and lightly knead. Add some flour to the rolling pin and roll the dough to 3 cm thick. And then cut into scones. Place the scones onto a baking tray, brush the scones with some milk. Use the leftover cheese, place a small amount onto each scone. Preheat the oven on 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees centigrade, 200 degrees centigrade if it's fan assisted or gas mark 7. Place into the oven for 15 minutes until the cheese scones become risen and golden brown. Now that the cheese scones are done, serve with some butter and a lovely cup of English tea. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching Dynatribe.